Now again, a very important topic for students is types of data. There are two main types. One is qualitative type, the other one is quantitative type. So we will discuss the qualitative type. This is actually nominal data. Okay, nominal and ordinal. Nominal is the qualitative type of data in which there are groups, but there is no specific order in that group. For example, if we take the example of gender, male and female, these are categories, but there is no specific order. So nominal data. And the other example you may take is blood groups. For example, blood group A, blood group B, AB and O. These are again categories, but there is no specific order, ascending order or descending order. So these are just names, so nominal data. On the other hand, ordinal data, these are again groups, but there will be some sort of ascending or ascending order, specific order. For example, if we take the example of level of education, primary education, secondary education, higher education, so there is an order from ascending to descending or from descending to ascending. Okay, in ordinal data you can take another example. For example, severity of pain, mild, moderate and severe. So a specific order, that will be ordinal data. Coming towards the quantitative data. Quantitative data is in the form of numbers, also known as numerical data. So again divided into discrete and continuous. The discrete type of data, a type of quantitative data which cannot be in the form of decimal. For example, number of children in a home, 3, 2, 5, etc. It cannot be 5.2 children. So it cannot take the decimal point form. Another example may be number of patients in a ward, 2, 3, 5 or 4. And similarly, another type is continuous data. That is a form of quantitative data in which there may be a decimal point. For example, you can say that weight of a patient, weight can be 60.5 kg. And similarly, a height, you may take the example of height. For example, height of a person, of a patient may be 160.5 centimeter, or you may say 170.6 centimeter. So this type of data can take a decimal point. A decimal point is possible, so known as continuous type of data.